Hi, you guys. You can see over there, trees are going over. This is Goose Creek, and it's way over its banks. It is flooded way back over in there. It's going past people's homes, around their foundations, and it's high. This may not look high, but believe me, to get down to the creek, you'd go down a bank. It's feet above level, and it's going underneath the deck of the bridge right now. I'm gonna go check over on the other side, but you can see there that trees are going over. There's many of them, even upstream up there. There, you guys, you can see it's coming right up to the road right here. The fire department is here. They're right over on the other side. It is right up to the bottom of the deck of the bridge. It is major flooding through here. It's washing out all around people's homes and everything. There's areas, you guys, that cannot get to. They've got roads closed and everything. This is a good spot to fish. There's a deep hole back here for trout fishing, but the water is so high. Even though those yards over there are all flooded. All those basements are underwater. And it's really moving. If you got caught in that, you'd have to be rescued because it is swift. It is really moving. It is still pouring out, and we've got heavy rain on the way. This bridge at least is up a little further. My God, you guys, is this way over the banks. I have never seen it so far over. It's way over there. There's a mobile home over here and it's underwater. It's past the fence and it's coming right up to the store. There should be a whole mowed yard right there, and the bank is right where my finger is in this video is the bank right here. That is really moving. And it's only going to get worse. Downstream, I imagine all those homes are completely underwater downstream because it's bad. I have never in my life, in all the years I've lived here, I've never seen it raging like a huge wide river like this. This is just a trout stream. Look at the water's clear up into here even. It's approaching this mobile home right here. The fire department is over there. They closed off the road now. They closed it off. All right. I'm going to get in the van before I get soaked. I'm going to check out some more flooding area. I'll be back. Well, you guys, I'm right on the side of the road right here. I'm not getting out because I am absolutely drenched. But it is soaked everywhere here. Everybody's yards and homes and basements are flooded. The water is getting ready to cross the road right here. Everything's underwater. Big sinkhole opened up right here, you guys. Huge sinkhole. It's taking the road with it. And that's all going down to where it's flooding. So this is all the water that's coming down off the mountain. I'm not getting close to the edge because that's all caving in. It's going to take the whole corner of this road right here with it. It's all getting washed out. I wouldn't be surprised if this big cement retainer just collapses. I don't even think the fire department's aware of that right now, but there's a vehicle could end up in that. Come on, boys. Well, they're out enjoying the wet weather. Come on, fellas. Single file, guys, single file. They want to get over to the flooded pond. Come on. I feel like a goose herder. There they go.